snacks. Everybody loves a good snack. But there is a new snack in town, baby. It's called exercise snacks. For real, there's some new research that says exercising in small increments is better than continual exercising. And I'm talking small, like I'm talking 10 to 30 second increments. It can increase your oxygen usage from 20 to 60% because it takes more oxygen to get started than it does to just keep on moving. So the next time you need to stop halfway up a flight of stairs to catch your breath, don't be embarrassed. No, you're just snacking your exercises. You are snacking those stairs.